Today we have gathered here. We are a coalition of various organizations. We call ourselves Goa Needs Minority Commission. We are various organizations. We have Christian representatives, we have Muslim representatives. As they speak, they will introduce themselves and tell about the organization and the purpose. But we have one common goal, that is to demand the establishment of Minority Commission in Goa. This is a demand that has been going on for a long time. And in 2012, the BJP government itself had taken the initiative under Parekar government to establish this commission under the 1992 Act. In various states of India, this commission is there. Goa does not have. And we are seeing that subtly there are a lot of issues which the minority people face, which is why we felt that now is the time that we have to push for it. So to begin with, I would request Mr. Iftiaz to introduce himself and throw some points to everyone.
My name is Syed Iftiaz. I am from the organization called Mufiqul Muslimin. We are in the field for the empowerment of the Muslim community and other marginalized section of the society since 2001. So now we have come under one banner by establishing with one aim that we should have Goa Minorities Commission, and that's why we have come together to address our issues. आता तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें कशे भाशेन आख्खे गोंयभर जे मोग आनी मायपास आशिल्लो तो काबार जावन एक काबार जावपाक लागला आनी आमचे मदें जो एकचार आनी मोग आशिल्लो तो वेगळोचार जावपाक लागला. सर आमकां हे कमिशन गोंयांत हाडपाचें गरजेचें, कित्याक हें कमिशन ना जाल्यार आमकां फुडें वचपाक त्रास जाता. ओके, आतां जे रिलिजियस रायट्स आसा आमचे जे आमी फॉलो करतात खंय पासून आतां बंदिशे येवपाक लागले, आडचण येवपाक लागले. आमी फ्रिली जे आमचे रिलिजियस प्रॅक्टिसीस करताले ते बंद जावपाक लागले. तशेंच आमचे बुरियल ग्रावंड्स जे आशिल्ले, बुरियल ग्रावंड आमचे आतां जे पयलीं आशिल्ले ते सेक्युलेटेड मिन्स कमी जावपाक लागला जागो, आनी जसो पॉप्युलेशन वाडला तसो आमचे बुरियल ग्रावंडाक जी गरज आशिल्ली ते हे सरकारान आमकां दिवचे आशिल्ले, पूण ते तांचे वतान कांयच यत्न जावंकच ना. तर आमकां हे गोवा मायनॉरिटी कमिशन गरजेचें, कित्याक आमचे जे रायट्स आसा एज अ मायनॉरिटीज ते आमकां मेळूंक लागले ना गोंयांत. आमी अशें जायते पळयतात की आमचे विरुद्ध जे हेट स्पिचीस जावपाक लागल्यात आख्खे गोंयभर, ते स्टॉप जावपाक जाय आशिल्ले आनी ते स्टॉप जायना, आनी ताचेर तरी बंदिश येवपाक जाय आशिल्ली या कारवाय जावपाक जाय आशिल्ली, ते जायना. हेट स्पिचीस चालूच आसात आनी एटॅक्स जे आसात रिलिजियस मॉन्युमेंटाचेर जावं, ते मुस्लिमाचेर जावं, ते क्रिश्चनाचेर जावं, चर्चीचेर जावं, या क्रॉसाचेर जावं, या मस्जिदेचेर जावं, ते वाडत वयता. ते स्टॉप जावपाक जाय, ते जावंक ना, ते जायना. आनी आतां आमकां जे भाशेन आमचे वेगळोचार जो चालू आसा तेजेर बंदिश हाडपाची गरज आशिल्ली, पूण ते सरकारा वतीन कांयच बंदिश येवंक ना, ताका लागून हे प्रॉब्लम जावपाक लागला. तर आमी मागतात की आमी सगळे गोंयचे जे क्रिश्चन जावं, हिंदू मुस्लिम्स जावं आनी जे आतां मार्जिनलायज सेक्शन आसा तांच्या खातीर गोवा मायनॉरिटीज कमिशन घेवपाची गरज इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर ऑल द कम्युनिटीज. आमी आनी एक हे पळयता की जेन्ना आमी मिटिंग्सा खातीर, पब्लीक रॅलीजा खातीर या आमचे प्रोटेस्टा खातीर जेन्ना आमी परमिशनाक घालतात तेन्ना आमकां हे डिनाय करतात, आनी हे एक्चुली इट्स अ कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल रायट ऑफ एवरीबडी, आनी आमकां ते रायट्स दिवपाकूच जाय आशिल्ले, पूण ते दिनात. अशे जायतेच बंदिशे हाडून प्रॉब्लम्स करपाक लागले. आमी पळयल्यात की रायट्स म्हणटा ते नाशिल्ले गोंयांत, पूण सावड्डे जे जाले आनी कशे भाशेन आमचे जायते मुस्लिमांच्यो गाडयो जळयल्यो, बिझनस हेजेर ताणें अटॅक केले आनी मागीर घरांचेर अटॅक केले. आनी आतां ते प्रोसेशन जे काडटात, रिलिजियस प्रोसेशन, ते मुद्दाम ते मस्जिदीचे फुटल्यान, दर्गाचे फुडल्यान काडून थंय लोकांक इन्स्टिगेट करतात. हे सगळे जे सिस्टम हे गोंयांत नाशिल्ले, ही पद्दत म्हणटा ती गोंयांत नाशिल्ली. तर हे जे येवन एक भरपूर कम्युनिटीमध्ये एक वेगळोचार आनी एक गॅप तयार करून दवरला आनी तो स्टॉप जावपाक जाय. ताका लागून आमी मागतात की हे एसेंब्लीक कशे भाशेन गोवा मायनॉरिटी कमिशन एस्टॅब्लीश जावपाक जाय, हो बील पास जावपाकूच जाय. आनी आमकां जे अधिकार आसात एज अ मायनॉरिटी, जशे दुसरे स्टेटीन आसा, कर्नाटका जावं महाराष्ट्रा जावं हे दुसरे स्टेटीन आसा, ते भाशेन आमकां ते तांकां मेळटा ते सुविधा जे आमकांय मेळपाक जाय हांगा एज अ मायनॉरिटीज. तर हांव मागतां ते सरकारा कडेन बी आनी जे MLAs आसात जे एसेंब्लीन उलयतले तांणी हे बिलाक सपोर्ट करचो आनी आमकां कशे भाशेन गोवा मायनॉरिटीज कमिशन बील पास करून दिवचें. देव बरें करूं.
Next, I ask Mr. Zephyrin to introduce himself and also to shed light on what happened in 2012, just summarize what Act says, and what we feel has to be the composition of the Minority Commission.
Yes, I am Zephyrin Fernandez, a very simple man, interested in social happenings and environmentalist of Goa. Okay, I'm happy to be here today because, as you know, we are touching upon a very important topic, that is the Minorities Commission for our state, Goa. To recall, you would know that way back in 1993, the National Commission for Minorities Act was passed, and it was only 20 years later that the Goa government under then Manohar Parrikar in 2012 tabled the Minorities Commission bill in the Assembly, and the governor then agreed and gave permission for it to be discussed. Unfortunately, what happened from 2012 till now, 13 years more later, that's about 33 years after the National Minorities Bill was passed. What happened then, we do not know. And the government owes an explanation to the people of Goa, especially the minorities, to tell us what really happened in the last 13 years. Why we have not seen any further discussion or work on this National Commission. All right. Then we look into the Act and we find that there are some lacunae which we would like to address. I would like to address just a few of them. One is about the powers of the Commission. What actions it ought to have. And the first one I would like to say is, you know, this Commission depends mainly on petitions. If there is some problem, somebody has to petition the Commission. Only then it's supposed to take action. No, we would like it to have suo motu powers, to investigate or come on its own whenever there is some problem on the minorities front. Suo motu powers has to be there in one of its functions. What else? It has to have a very strong investigative powers. You followed? It has to be able to call, summon, demand witnesses, documents, etc. without interference. It ought to have powers to even get government agencies to cooperate with it. What else? Then we really need to look into something which is so important and which the present bill, I think the 2012 bill has lapsed, am I right? It has lapsed. 2012 till now, I don't think. We would have to look into the making of a new Minorities Commission bill now. And one thing there is, we would like to add, that is to make a factual assessment of the representation of minorities in the services of the government, government undertaking, quasi-government bodies, municipal corporations, municipal councils, Zilla Parishads, Panchayat Samitis and village panchayats. And in case the representation is inadequate, to suggest ways and means to achieve the desired level. Today we know a few of the minorities are taken into government employment. If I am not mistaken, Kennedy, is it only around 2% of our learned force? Yeah. Okay. Having said that, we now come to a very important point. The final point I'd like to make is about the selection of the management of the Minorities Commission. How is that going to be done? Yes. And we would like, permit me to say something on that. The process of selection of the members of the Minority Commission should be such that the process be fair, consultative and transparent, involving a free and frank discussion with the minorities, however that be organized. Extreme safeguards be made and all care taken that every single member is handpicked by the main stakeholders, ensuring that whoever is selected is 100% committed to exercising the duties and responsibilities to the best of his or her abilities for the sake of the betterment and progress of the minorities. All interference from either the government or any other person to make it merely a political affair, directly or indirectly, serving the interests of the government, be avoided. I reiterate, the selection of the members of the Commission must be the result of a consultative, transparent and fair process whose one and only aim is to work for the benefit of the minorities. Thank you.
And finally, we will have Mr. Kennedy Alfonso, who will speak about from his side.
My name is Kennedy. I am the president of Global Romi Lipi Abhiyan. तशें आमचे दुसरे स्पीकरांनी रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हांनी सांगलां, मायनॉरिटीज कमिशन घडून हाडची गोंयांत एक जावन आसा म्हत्वाची गजाल. ताचो वापर जायती बाजूंनी जायती आमचे मायनॉरिटीज कमिटीज उपयोगाचे पडटले. जायते भाशेन तेजो फायदो घेवंक जाता. आनी आमचे जायते विशय आसा, जावं ते मुस्लीम, क्रिश्चियन, सिख्स, तांचे जायते विशय आहा ते हे फोरमांतल्यान ते सोडोवंक जाता. पूण आमी ग्लोबल रोमी लिपी अभियान आनी हो खास करून बील मांडला. एडवोकेट कार्लोस फेरेरान हें सद्याक ड्राफ्ट केला आनी तें बील आतां गव्हर्नरांशीं पावलां. सो खास करून हें बील आमी घातलां. कित्याक हे बिला वरवीं, कित्याक आमी रोमी लिपीक लागून जायते आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं, 36 वर्सां जालीं अनलायन मायनॉरिटीचेर जाल्लो आसा. आमी रोमी लिपी आमकां आमची रोमी लिपी सांबाळून ती आतां काबार जाय दिता, ताका लागून आमी मागता, पूण आमचे कोण आयकना. आनी हो इश्यू हो ह्या फोरमांतल्यान मायनॉरिटीज कमिशनांतल्यान सोडूंक जाता. कित्याक तें सांगता? बिकॉज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, अंडर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 29(1) सांगता सगळे मायनॉरिटीजांक हक आसा आपली भाशा, आपली लिपी आनी आपली संस्कृताय सांबाळूंक. आनी पूण हिंगा कोण सांबाळना आमचे. हिंगा आमकां भायर उडयल्ले आहा. आमची लिपी आमकां मेळना, आमकां इस्कॉलांची घालूंक मेळना, आमकां राजभास कायद्यान घालूंक मेळना. सो हें तर फोरम घडल्यार आमकां आमच्यांनी हे फोरमांतल्यान तें एड्रेस करूंक जाता. दुसरो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल जावन आसा आर्टिकल 30 सांगता आमकां आमची मायनॉरिटीजांची इस्कॉलां आहा. गोंयांत सुमार 70% इस्कॉलां आमच्या मायनॉरिटीजांची आसा, पूण आमकां जायते भाशेन शिकूंक मेळना त्या इस्कॉलांत. दीस इज अगेन्स्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ आर्टिकल 30 सांगता मायनॉरिटीची इस्कॉलांक हक आसूंक जाय. आपणाक जायते भाशेन शिकोवपाक, टू एडमिनिस्टर स्कूल्स एंड सेट अप द करिकुलम द वे दे वॉन्ट इट. तर आमच्या भुरग्यांक हो अन्याय जाल्लो आसा 36 वर्सां. सो आमी हें आतां मायनॉरिटीज कमिशन केली कित्याक जाता सो आमचे तर मागणी आयकोना तितल्यान तरी आमी ते मुखार व्हरतात आमी गेले फावट 50 आनी 100 ग्रामसभेनी रेजोल्युशनां पास केली दीज रेजोल्युशन्स वर एड्रेस टू द मायनॉरिटी कमिशन दिल्ली आतां दिल्ली कित्याक धाडची पडली आमकां कित्याक आमचे गोंयांत ना ते तिका बसून आहा सुसेगाद आमचे ते गोंयांत रेप्रेझेंटेशन आहलेलें मायनॉरिटी कमिशनाचें ते आमी 56 रेजोल्युशन आमचे मायनॉरिटीज कमिशना लागीं दितले आहले आनी ते मागीर ते फॉलो करून ते सारके रस्त्यान ते वयतले आसले सो हाची बहुत म्हत्वाची गरज म्हजें एकूच मागणें आमचे जे आमदार आसा जावं ते ऑपोजिशन जावं ते रुलींग हें बील बीजेपीनूच घातलेलें सो म्हाका दिसता ना तेंची कसली आडपड आसलेली म्हणून ते फकत सेलेक्ट कमिटीक म्हणून तेमी डिफर केल्ले ते पूण आतां 13 वर्सां जालीं ते आमी भितर आहा सेलेक्ट कमिटी सो हांव मागता सगळ्यांनी रुलींग आनी ऑपोजिशन एकठांय येवन हें बील पास करचें कित्याक ताची आतां खूब सारकी गरज आसा आनी इतलो ते सगळे स्टेट बी घडोवन हाडला आमीच घडोवन हाडून वी आर ऑल हें गोंयांत गोंयकारांक शोभना वी आर एड्युकेटेड पीपल एंड दीस मायनॉरिटी कमिशन इज अ मस्ट यू बरें
So thank you everyone, especially journalists. I also want to make an ending remark that you must have not seen some Sikh representative here. We were trying to get in contact and we got finally, but for some circumstances those people couldn't come. But in future you will also see the representatives of Sikh community with us. So we demand from the government, from the MLAs, be it opposition, ruling, jenna discussion येतले suppose येले जाल्यार हे कन्सिडर करून हाचेर चिंतन करून आनी सगळ्या लोकांनी आप आपल्या एमएलए कडेन मागचें हें मायनॉरिटी कमिशन गोंयांत स्थापचें देव बरें एनी क्वेश्चन्स यू वॉन्ट टू आस्क
सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटान न्हू मायनॉरिटी कॉर्पोरेशन तांचो बाकी कितें तुमकां फायदो जाता
यू थिंक देर इज वेरी डिसएडवांटेज
Not really. Like I said, we really want
इट इज नॉट द राइट फोरम
enhanced powers for this commission, as I mentioned.
But the commission has not been set up as yet, so
Yes.
Which
So
is
we
why
are
we-
demanding.
why we are demanding
That's why we are demanding.
enhanced doesn't.
No, when it comes, the earlier commission had given certain
But
functions.
you all have given any representation to the opposition regarding this to raise the issue in the assembly?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it will come there, you know.
They mentioned Kerala. Carlos had already done.
No, regarding this commission.
yes
Yes,
yes
yes,
yes
yes.
So about roaming.
No.
We
Even
are
minority
for 1 month we
commissions.
are pursuing this only 2 bills. Resolution for to introduce roaming in schools and the second one is minority commission.
बाकीच्या स्टेटींनी मायनॉरिटी कमिशनां गोंयांत कित्याक लागून आजून कित्याक जावना कितको
आता हे क्वेश्चन ते क्वेश्चन जाल्यार बरें न्हू बिकॉज सी
पूण तुमकां कितें रिजन दिसता
म्हाका सी in 2012 Manohar Parrikar I mean the BJP party had put this on the election manifesto. So तेंच्यांनी ते घातलेले आनी तेंच्यांनी मागीर ते bill draft केले आनी घातले and then but somebody I think raised an objection to it that there needs to be more debate on this something like that and it was deferred. So आता ते तेंच्यांनी कित्याक follow करूंक ना that is the question million dollar question. आता म्हाका दिसता तेंची I don't think there is any reason it was just कोणाक हुशार करून ते तेंच्यांनी हावजान हाडले आनी भितर उडयले. I think there is no another reason for that. Otherwise, तांकां जर 2012 गरज पडलेली, they felt that a bill has to come to protect the minorities. Now it is a better time. Because आता तेची चडूच गरज आहा. कित्याक कितले अन्याय जाता मायनॉरिटीजांचेर. ती बाबडे उगी सोंसता.